project to BLE lighting module. I'm trying to connect to the Adafruit BLE. So like you see, once I connect, because the RSSI is really strong, the light turns on automatically. When I move the phone out of the coverage, like really weak RSSI, the light turns off. And once I bring the phone inside, it turns on again. So there is another control, hardware control to turn on and off the lights. So we have this push button which works on interrupt. So this will also turn on and off the light. Also, according to the requirement, we need to have a button on the phone app to turn on off the lights. So this button will do the job while turning on and turning off the lights. So there's also other requirement where we need to increase and decrease the brightness. So I have this control to decrease the brightness, and we can use this control to increase the brightness. There's also one more requirement which we need to have to change the color. So this button will change the color. Hi, this is the demo for fancy lighting. For this fancy lighting, the first criteria is the photosensor should be detecting the external light. So when it is bright, the LED should be turned off. That's what you're seeing now. But when it is dark, the photosensor should detect the light and the LED should be turned on. Now you see LED turns on automatically as soon as I turn off my light. So there is a second criteria where you have a button to turn on the light. Now I am enabling the light when I press the button, and can also turn off the light on pressing this button. Same will be working for the dark condition as well. The other thing we have included, I've added the check for is, for example, now it's a daytime, there is plenty of light, and I turn on the lights. And when once it is dark, the LED light should be still turned on, which is working now. So the when I turn on the daylight again, the LED should be automatically off, which will be the natural use case. Now you see the light got turned off automatically. Similar condition will work for nighttime as well. It goes to the dark, LED turned on automatically. I power off the LED, and I turn on lights. Again, once I turn off the lights, the LED should be back up. So that's what you're seeing now. Now I'll be showing the transition 6 color changes. So when I click here, the color changes, and also I have included the code to make the transition smoothly. So you see there's a smooth transition between the lights. Thank you.